Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best Pex Crimp tool. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Zurn QCRTMH Steel Multi-Head Copper Crimp Tool. The best quality Pex Crimp tool money can buy right now. Yes, we are talking about the Zurn QCRTMH Steel Multi-Head Copper Crimp Tool. It is versatile, easy to use, built with solid steel material, and guess what? You can crimp different sizes of PEX connections with this awesome tool. It can do 4 sizes of PEX connections, i.e. 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, and 3/4, to give you freedom connecting 2 PEX tubes. Because of its long plastic wrapped handle, it is one of the most comfortable to use PEX crimp tools of today. Number 2. IOUISS PEX Pipe Crimping Toolkit for 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, 1-inch copper ring. If you are looking for the best value for your money, then there is nothing better than this IOUISS PEX Pipe Crimping Toolkit. It comes in 2 versions, one is short and the other is long-handled, to give you freedom choosing according to your needs. Its ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures a better grip when you are working with this. Plus, it allows you to do the job for an extended period without straining your hands. So, a greatly comfortable product to have. Number 3. SharkBite 23,251.5-inch, 3/4-inch crimp tool. SharkBite is a prominent brand when it comes to plumbing products. They provide great quality products that last long, and this crimping tool is not at all different. Although it doesn't provide much versatility like the other 2 we have reviewed above, it is one of the best tools for the people whose needs match with its specs. It can effectively connect copper, PEX, CPVC, and PE/RT pipes, allowing you to have leak-free connections on all your fittings. It is easy to use and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable. Number 4. IOUISS Angle Head F1807 PEX Pipe Crimping Tool for Copper Rings. Another IOUISS product of this buying guide. IOUISS PEX crimping tools are dominating the market and they provide top-quality products within an affordable price range, which is why we had no choice but to include multiple IOUISS crimping tool in this buying guide. This model especially comes in different size options and variations along with combo packs to allow you to pick exactly what you need to do your job perfectly. Because some high-quality copper rings are included in the package, you can start working with the machine right after receiving the product at your doorstep. Number 5. Ryobi P661 18V 1 Plus PEX Crimp Ring Press Tool. If you are looking for the best quality PEX crimp tool to do professional plumbing, we recommend this great quality battery-powered PEX crimp tool by Ryobi for you. It can make PEX connections real quick within 5 seconds. Plus, the LED indicator gives you the hint that the connection is made and you can now proceed to do the next connection. The product is greatly built and designed to make your job easier than ever. To ensure you about the quality it provides, it comes with a whopping 3 years warranty.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.